welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, welcome to my channel. My name is Nena, you can call me Nene, and this is Nene Space TV. In today's video we are going to be making stew. I call it sliced tomato stew. Yeah, I call it sliced tomato stew because I don't like blended tomato stew. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this stew. So in this plate I have salt and some seasoning cubes, and this is curry leaf. Here is my tin tomato, and this is my pepper, and here I have my sliced onions, and this is the sliced tomato that I'm going to be using to make this stew. And in here is my fish. And here is my beef. And this is my groundnut oil. So guys, let's go to the kitchen and make this delicious sliced tomato stew. Let me show you guys how I make my stew without blending the tomato. Let's go to the kitchen, guys. So guys, my pot is on the fire. I'm just waiting for it to get dry, then I'll put the groundnut oil. I'm adding the groundnut oil. I think that is enough. The next thing I'm going to be adding is my onion. And I'll stir it. The next thing I'm going to be adding is my sliced tomato. I'll stir it and allow it to boil for like 10 minutes so that all the water will be dried off. So I'll just allow it to cook for like 10 minutes, then come back for it. Guys, our tomato is still boiling. It's not yet dry, so we'll still wait for some time for it to dry. Still wait for it. We'll come back and check. Guys, you can see the water has dried off. The water has dried off. You can see the oil on top. You can see the groundnut oil on top. The water has dried off. So the next thing we are going to be putting is our tin tomato. Just allow it to cook for some time. You can see our tin tomato is already in the stew. So allow it to cook for some time. We'll stir it together and allow it to cook for some time. like to cook for some time. Then we'll put our other ingredients. The next thing I'm going to be putting is pepper. I'll stir it together. Next I'm going to put in is our seasoning cube. Then stir it. Then the next thing we are going to put in is our beef. So guys, I'll just put a little bit of salt, sprinkle salt on it. Our stew is almost ready. You can see at the face. So I'll just put in my curry leaf. So guys, our stew is ready. Looking so yummy. Look at that. Okay guys, this is the finishing of our stew. You guys should look at this. It's so yummy and the taste is heavenly. Like, you cannot compare it with blended tomato. It's so yummy guys. So guys, this comes to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. And guys, I'm going to be, before this video goes up, I'll have uploaded the market vlog where I got all these things that I use in making this stew. So guys, please check it out and see how I shop here in Lagos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.